Hi everyone, I'm Joan Cabarrus and welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. We will sculpt lots of dog breeds with polymer clay using minimal tools and lots of imagination. Come on in! Hi everyone, welcome to my sculpting show. We're almost halfway to the end of the Doggo Bake Show. To do a little recap, the Doggo Bake Show is a sculpting show for beginners, teaching you how to create lots of dog breeds. And this show teaches you how to create those dog breeds without sculpting techniques. So basically, it's going to teach you how to form basic shapes and put them all together. That's it. There's a little bit of poking here and slicing there. We really don't need any advanced sculpting skills here in the show. Polymer clay is actually perfect for you because you can make all the mistakes you want. The clay won't dry out. The only time that the polymer clay won't be easy to fix is when we bake it in the oven. So that's the beauty of polymer clay. Reminders, if you haven't clicked that subscribe button, subscribe now. Today's episode is Soft Coated Wheaten Terrier. She's the nasty girl of our neighborhood.
Push! Push harder! You are so slow and weak!
What's going on down there?
I've been pushing.
I'm paying you a lot to work an easy job! Push!
Can't you see I'm working so hard? And I work fast. That saves you a lot of money. But look how skinny I am. I'm built for speed, not weightlifting.
You complain a lot! Why don't you just quit if you're not happy working for me?
That rotten dog! Who does she think she is?
What? That easy, huh? This is not an easy job. I took this job because I saw a lot of good reviews online about your company.
Those were probably fake reviews.
I quit. I can't do this anymore.
Are you serious?
The longer I work for you, the more injuries I get.
Injuries? That dog never reported any injuries to me. I wonder if he got a workman's compensation.
Injuries? Then you are a liability!
Oh, no. She's pushing it. She's pushing it.
I am so done with you. I'll definitely give you a bad review.
This is not acceptable. This is not acceptable. Oi! I can hear you arguing from here. Terry, come up here. We need to talk.
Oh, she's gonna give me another disciplinary action again. Last time she did that, she sent me to the Kitty Bake neighborhood. Oh, I did not like that at all. How can I get away with this?
Yeah, that's what you get for being so rude. I'm taking this can of food home for dinner.
So Gray quit, huh? He sounded really upset. What did you do?
I just told him to work harder.
But he was already doing that.
Not enough.
More and more dogs are now complaining about your behavior. They are not happy about it. Our culture here in the Doggo Bake community is to be kind and respectful with each other. You're not following that. I'm afraid I will have to send you to the Kitty Bake community for about maybe 3 months.
No. Please don't.
I have no choice. This is final. But before I take you there, I will have to sculpt your breed first so we can teach them how to sculpt a soft-coated Wheaten Terrier.
No. Guys, can you convince her not to take me there?
Prepare your supplies. Toothpicks, polymer clay, brush and baby oil, any tool with a rounded tip. Doggo Bake Show, Doggo Bake books, and the Soft Coated Wheaten Terrier tutorial will be found in the Doggo Bake Book 3. Alright, so what do you think? What do you think about the Soft Coated Wheaten Terrier dog breed? It's very easy. This is actually one of the easiest dog breed to sculpt because the majority of the color of the clay is mostly white or cream or kind of dirty white. I don't usually see this type of dog breed outside. It's not very common breed. If you have any questions, you can message me down below in the description. Or if you really want to learn a lot of dog breeds, grab the copies of the Doggo Bake 1, 2, and 3. You will learn 60 dog breeds. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Help me share the word with your family and friends. See you again next Friday for another dog.
Rifa!